This thing is full bulletproof. Yes, you're gonna run people over, bro.
This is actually good.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is. We got the SRT here, we got the 911 Turbo, but today's not about either one of these. Not about this, not about that. So let's show them what today is really about.
Let's go.
The big body bulletproof monster truck, man.
Big body.
Crazy. Look at this.
Don't ask how we got this. Don't ask how we got this.
Damn,
Don't ask
bro.
questions. Just appreciate this truck.
That's it. This thing is full bulletproof. Hey, the camera can't really pick it up. The window comes out from here and here. Like, I don't know how to show y'all, but even the back glass is fully bulletproof. Crazy.
Press so you show that your fingers are pressed. Yeah. Look how.
Oh, that's like, hold up, let me bring it out like this. Hold up, it's like this, basically like this. That's how much glass there is.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Wow. Yo, you know what's crazy? Not even a whistling diesel can break this, man. I know whistling diesel breaks all kinds of trucks, but this is like, you can't really break this, you know what I'm saying? Like, when I hit it, it hurts, brother. It hurts, brother. Open that real quick.
Look at the sunroof. This is crazy. Hold up.
What's right there?
Brother.
Crazy.
You know what this is for? This is for the snipers from the rooftops, fam.
Like, even, and this right here, this is like the thickest glass out of all.
Yeah. Hold up. Put your fingers on both sides. You can show them how thick that is. Press up. Yeah, let's see. Bro, that's crazy.
That
bro.
windshield alone is a few £100, bro. It's a Cummins turbo diesel. Big body engine, like a 7-liter or something like that.
This is probably one of the most special cars we've done on the channel so far.
Yeah.
I love this truck. I love it.
Something like, even if you weren't a truck guy, or you don't like trucks, you gotta appreciate this.
100%.
When do you ever see a fully bulletproofed out truck? If you didn't know at all, right? Like, I look at the truck, oh, nice lifted trucks, good tires. Then, oh, let me check out the inside. What the
And you
hell?
think it's locked, you know?
Yeah, that's what
It's
I
actually
mean,
open, but you know it's a car channel, so you gotta pop the hood on them.
You gotta show them the big turbo on this thing, man.
Or the upgraded turbo. Oh, look at that. Look how many radiators there are.
Yeah, there's a lot of cooling going on in this thing.
Bro.
Radiator, intercooler, radiator.
Intercooler.
What the oil coolers, intercooler, radiator, everything. That's crazy, but look at this.
Oh, metal plate
The
around the battery,
is
fam.
fully like bulletproofed, and all this metal around the car everywhere. Holy! It has an AFE intake. Look at the filter; it's massive, huge, but it's also in metal. This is in metal. The other battery, yeah, obviously has 2 batteries.
Crazy.
Turbo. Huge turbo.
Look at that thing.
Monster. That's like a 5-inch downpipe, bro. That's a big boy turbo. Right? That's a big boy turbo. These engines are like bulletproof.
No, but literally.
Literally. The craziest part to me is the low miles. When you see a truck like this, 350,000 kilometers on it.
Oh, this?
This, not even a quarter of that.
I want to buy it. It's for sale. I swear to God, if y'all want to buy it, hit me up. It's for sale.
But it's a big bang. It's not.
Big bang.
$5,000 type of
Nah, this ain't no $5,000 truck, brother. This truck protects your life.
Tires.
Bro, imagine
monster.
how much gas may this thing eats. Look at
daily
this.
driver, so it probably costs you like $200 a day on gas.
Easily.
Like it doesn't look like it, but it's very heavy. Not even like a normal lift can't lift this thing.
Brother, look at this truck, bro. You know what's crazy? This thing probably eats through tires.
Huh?
The thing eats through tires.
Yeah. And
Monster
brakes.
truck, literally. And brakes.
You need some crazy good brakes to stop something this fast, this heavy.
Wow, look at the lineup of cars we got. So we got Ahmed's Jeep, Mo's Porsche, and Justin Bieber's whip. No, it's locked. You gotta get the key from
this.
inside.
It says JB on it from
Yeah.
West Coast Custom.
People know this car.
Yeah, they know
It used to be the chrome wrap, but it's getting some work done.
Alright guys, so now I want y'all to hear how this thing sounds, because it's got one big turbo. Yep, that's how it be feeling.
Damn.
Crazy.
Bro, look at, hold on, come here. Let me show him real quick. Look at this. In case this needed to be sealed up, you got this all the way around.
Yeah, and that's metal behind that, right?
Metal. It's a metal plate.
But I'm gonna get the behind sound first. That diesel smell, brother. Man, that sounds good. Let's hear how the turbo sounds. Crazy. So let's check out the interior real quick. Look at this updated screen. Touch, crazy. Makes the car look nice. I love the classic wood.
You got the classic wood everywhere. I think that comes stock.
Yeah, I love that from factory. It's like a 90s kind of vibe.
The seat is so plush. It's so comfortable.
It's mad comfortable. And then you got a third seat.
You can fit a third seat. So
Yeah,
a third
or a nice big armrest.
Yeah, big these armrests. Look at this. Huge. Look how.
Yeah, it's
You
massive.
can't even touch the back seats.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's a lot of space. And this right here, that's pure metal right here.
Let's get the drive in it.
So I want to get to see how this thing is. Oh my god. You feel like you're high up with like even the big trucks. Oh my god. This thing is, and it, like I know it's gonna be like squirrely like that. The AC in this thing is cool too. Yeah, that's not slow at all for the weight.
I'm not even flooring it either, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's turbo sound, man. I was about to roll the window down to hear the turbo sound. You can't roll down the damn window in this thing. I got someone's reaction right there. They're like, what the fuck is this?
Wow. From outside, it sounds actually crazy.
Yeah, it does. Even inside, like considering how crazy the window is, you can hear the turbo just spooling.
It's insane.
Hit it now. Woo!
Look at this
That's hilarious, man. This thing is a monster. Yes, you're gonna run people over, bro.
Oh, this thing's actually crazy.
Yeah, this thing is crazy. What gets me is the turbo sound. Those sounds? Holy. Give that car some space.
flipping the brakes right now. No, I'm just kidding. I wanted to stop.
Oh,
If we run into the ops,
we
let it
crushing
bang.
them. We crushing them.
Let it bang.
This thing's nuts. Like, can you imagine just daily driving this? Oh, look at that Porsche. Oh my god. Like you're high up with like even the big trucks. This thing is and it, like I know it's gonna be like squirrely like that. The AC in this thing is cool. Yeah, that's not slow at all for the weight.
I'm not even flooring it either, you know.
Yeah. Hilarious, man. This thing is a monster. Can you, yes, you're gonna run people over, bro.
I actually feel like nobody could touch me, bro.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You're in a car where even if like say the police want to chase you can be laughing in this.
Bro, I'm bro. Like I feel like I'm untouchable in this whip, bro. It's actually crazy.
But that's a lifted truck and it made it look small.
I know, and it's not even just the truck. Knowing that it's fully protected.
Yeah.